What's up, juggalos and juggalettes? I got something new today. I think I'm gonna unsubscribe from Loot Crate for a little bit. Because I'm gonna try something else out. It's called you ever heard of Nerd Block? It's the same thing. It's just Horror Block. It's a different version of Nerd Block. I've wanted to try this. I've seen Kid Behind a Camera do a lot of these, and I kind of wanted to try them out. So let's see what this has in it, because I like a lot of horror movie stuff. Because like, I just bought a Chucky doll the other day, and it's freaking amazing. All right, get a shirt. Let's see what's in here. Zombie Apocalypse egg and spoon. Egg cup, spoon, and toast cutter. It's an egg cup. Even though I really don't eat eggs like that, but okay. Never let your wine turn. Okay, I have no clue what this is. Oh, it's a wine stopper. It's basically a cork. That's pretty cool. Too bad I don't have wine. I think it's just a bottle opener right here. Let's check this out. I think the only thing I'm gonna like out of this is the shirt. Maybe, I don't know. It looks like this is a zombie kind of stuff. That is, oh my god. That is really dope. That is dope looking. Look at that. It looks like something off of what was it? Dying Light. Those night crawlers, I think it was called. Yeah, night crawlers. That is dope though. Yeah, I like that. Let me put this back in the thing. Like this. And like that. Okay, or not. And playing cards. Standard playing cards. Let's take a look at this. Where's the it's got a thing on it, like, screw it. There we go. Awesome. So far, I like this kind of. I'm not a big zombie fan, really, at all. This is called the chopping block. Oh my god. I love that Joker card right now. I have to get this. I have to give one of these Joker cards to my cousin. It's just basically just regular old cards. Say, so you got Jason as the king, the girls from The Shining as the queens, Freddy as the other king, and of course they got it as the Joker card. And who's the Jack? Oh, they got Sid Haig from the Devil's Rejects. Cannot remember his name right now. From the Eyes of Joker. I mean, yeah, it's Jack. Oh, dude, I love this. That's dope. They got Billy, and they got the girl from The Ring. Can't remember her name. I don't think she had a name. I think that's about it. Nope. Oh. Hey, who the hell is that? They got Ghostface. It's the guy from Scream. I have no clue who that is. And then they got Hannibal Lecter. I think it was Hannibal Lecter. Oh, yeah, Hannibal the Cannibal. Yeah, that's what it was. It's Hannibal. And, oh, dude, that is dope looking. Then they have Alien. Okay, I love this. They got Carrie. And then you gotta have Michael Myers. You have to have Michael Myers. You got Jason, you gotta have Michael Myers. And I think that's it. And of course, I've got two Jokers here. So one of these is going to my homie Niggs because he loves the Joker cards, stuff like that. And it's a clown, and it's it. And it's freaking dope. This is the dopest thing I have ever gotten. One of the dopest things. I love horror things. I'm a big scary movie fan. Oh, come on. My favorite card would have something on it already. It is already bent. That's dope. I'm keeping these in here for right now. But I'm actually going to put all these cards up on a picture. I'm about a picture frame and put them in there. Alright, there we go. Alright, that was pretty much it. Except for the shirt. Let's see. Oh, jeez, man. Okay, what's this? The creepy items for fans of The Ring. I guess that's what the shirt is. Okay, I don't want to look at that right now. They got a magazine from Rue Morgue. I've never heard of it. Oh, look at that picture. I'm a real big Chucky fan, as you can see. I have a Chucky doll over there. I just bought him. It's a crappy version of the Chucky doll, but he's a Chucky doll. I love Chucky so much. I have to look at this later. Just gonna flip through it real quick. You know what would have been really cool? If I got something Pumpkinhead related. I love Pumpkinhead. It's like one of my favorite horror movies, really, to be honest. Really. I don't think they have kind of a Mega Crate thing with this stuff. I think they just send you their stuff and that's it. They don't worry about sending you anything else. Jason Edmonds. Oh, wait. Note from the Underground. That's why I like to put the Scylla in this thing. Alright, well, that was it. Let's look at the shirt now, even though I know what the shirt is already. And it's dope. It really is. It's a skull with a knife going with I don't know what it is. It looks like a leaf. But it's dope looking. I'll probably end up making this, I don't know, probably not a work shirt, but I'll probably replace it for another shirt. But that was it. That was Horror Block. So let's open this real quick. I want to see what this is. This is pretty cool. You got the toast cutters. You've got a sword, can be used for piercing, slashing, or smashing. A club, Does damage through blunt force. Axe can be used to penetrate the skull. Handgun only used if you had previous training. This weapon is extremely dangerous in the wrong hands. I'll probably just, I have like a little squish ball up there. I'll just put it in his head. That's pretty dope looking. I wouldn't never use it. Like literally, I'd never use it. I mean, I'd probably use little toast cutters or something. Cool, maybe. I don't know. That's pretty much it. That was a pretty cool box. Box. I really like that. So we got the stopper. We got the wine stopper, which I want to look at real quick. Yeah, it's a little finger. Got a wine stopper. The bottle opener. That's pretty cool. The egg cup and utensils to eat his brains. The shirt here is pretty cool. And the my favorite thing out of the whole thing is the playing cards. I love the playing cards. And this is pretty dope too. It looks just like the zombie from Dying Light, the Nightcrawlers. Anyway, that was pretty much it. Whoop whoop.